The question is, you have potato, carrot, radish, sweet potato, tomato and ginger brought from the market in your jute bag. We have to identify two vegetables to represent the correct homologous structure. For homologous structure which are same in origin but different functions. So we have carrot, potato and sweet potato which are what what have same origin but their functions are what same, so it cannot be homologous. Carrot and tomato, the origin is not same, so this is also not. Potato and tomato, here also the origin is not same, so this also cannot be the required answer. In third case, carrot and radish, both are underground, both are underground and both also perform the different function. So out of these four options, the last one, which is carrot and radish, is our required answer, as we have same origin and different what function. So our answer is carrot and radish. So D is the correct answer.